Zoleka Mandela pens heartfelt letter about her pregnancy to Ma Winnie. Zoleka Mandela has poured her heart out, her pregnancy being a gift and blessing from her late grandmother and political stalwart Ma Winnie Mandela. In a lengthy Instagram post, Zoleka detailed how she felt completely lost without her day one, which is her nickname for Ma Winnie. My day one, we've always known you to be the glue of the family. Since your passing, I barely recognize myself, let alone anyone else in this family. In losing you, we have completely lost one another. I've been lost without you. My therapist says I need to figure out who I am without you. You were the only family I really had, the only one who truly believed in me. Zoleka said she believes Ma Winnie knew how devastated she would be without her, so blessed her with another child. So, it's true then? From death comes new life, knowing that you took so much of me with you, fearing that I would want to die right alongside you, you placed this blessing between the walls of my womb to remind me that I only need to look inside myself to find you, because you have not left me. Zoleka promised her late grandmother that she would continue to live even when life feels meaningless without her,